Are you tired of battling hunger only to have cravings sabotage your best intentions? You start strong, but by mid-afternoon you're raiding the pantry, feeling defeated. It's not just about willpower. Your body's signals can make appetite control feel impossible. But what if you could work with your body, not against it? Imagine a natural tool that helps you feel fuller, longer, and keeps cravings in check. Today we're revealing a centuries-old ingredient now gaining attention for appetite support: bitter orange. This isn't a fad or magic pill, it's a plant-based ally that could help you stick to your healthy eating plan. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and how to use it safely. Get ready to discover a natural ally that could transform your approach to appetite control. Let's dive in. So, what is bitter orange? At first glance, it might look just like any other orange you'd find at the market, but don't be fooled by its appearance. Bitter orange is a unique citrus fruit with a story all its own. Unlike the sweet, juicy oranges you're used to peeling for a snack, bitter orange, scientifically known as Citrus aurantium, packs a punch of sourness and bitterness that makes it almost impossible to eat raw. Its thick, bumpy skin and intensely tart flavor set it apart from its sweeter cousins. But don't let its taste fool you. The real magic of bitter orange lies in its peel, leaves, and fragrant flowers. For centuries, these parts of the plant have been treasured in traditional medicine across many cultures, used to soothe digestive troubles, calm nerves, and even help with congestion. Originally native to the lush regions of Southeast Asia, bitter orange has traveled the globe. Today, it thrives in warm climates worldwide and is often called Seville orange or sour orange, especially in Europe and the Mediterranean. You might not realize it, but you've probably tasted bitter orange before. Its zesty peel is the secret behind the tangy flavor of classic marmalade, and it's a key ingredient in famous liqueurs like Grand Marnier and Cointreau, adding depth and complexity to cocktails and desserts. Traditionally, bitter orange has been used to ease indigestion and clear up congestion. But in recent years, it's gained a reputation for something else: supporting appetite control and weight management. People have turned to it as a natural way to help manage cravings and boost metabolism. After the popular weight loss herb ephedra was banned due to safety concerns, bitter orange quickly rose in popularity as a seemingly safer alternative. It became a common ingredient in many weight loss and energy supplements. The secret lies in its active compounds, especially synephrine, which are chemically similar to those found in ephedra. However, they interact with the body in different ways, leading to ongoing research about their safety and effectiveness. This ancient plant has a fascinating legacy, stretching from ancient herbal remedies to modern scientific studies. Researchers are now exploring how bitter orange might influence appetite, metabolism, and even athletic performance. Bitter orange truly bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science, offering a blend of tradition and innovation. While it's far from a new discovery, the secrets of bitter orange are only just beginning to be fully understood by modern researchers. There's still much to learn about how it works and how it can be used safely. So, what makes bitter orange so powerful? Let's dive deeper and uncover the science and tradition behind this remarkable fruit. The secret of bitter orange lies in its peel, which contains a key compound, P-synephrine. Synephrine is a mild natural stimulant, not like harsh synthetics that cause jitters. It targets specific receptors in your body, gently boosting energy use and influencing appetite signals. Unlike synthetic versions, P-synephrine doesn't strongly affect heart rate or blood pressure, making it a gentler option. This is why bitter orange is considered a safer metabolic support tool. When you see bitter orange extract in supplements, it's this compound doing the work. Concentrated synephrine provides consistent, effective support, much more than you'd get from food alone. Understanding synephrine is key to seeing how bitter orange can help manage appetite. Now, let's see how it actually tames hunger. How does bitter orange help you feel less hungry? Synephrine gently stimulates neurotransmitters like norepinephrine, which help regulate appetite. This sends a signal to your brain that you're satisfied, making cravings easier to ignore. It may also boost thermogenesis, your body's calorie-burning process, even at rest. The result? You eat less and burn a bit more, a powerful combo for weight management. Feeling more in control of your appetite can also reduce stress and emotional eating. It's not a magic fat melter, but a support system for your healthy habits. By helping you feel fuller, it empowers better food choices. The goal isn't to eliminate hunger, but to manage it so you can build sustainable habits. Bitter orange gives you the breathing room to succeed. Let's look at what the science says. 12. What does the research say about bitter orange? Over the past decade, scientists and health professionals have taken a closer look at this citrus fruit extract, especially its active compound, P-synephrine. With the rise in popularity of natural supplements, bitter orange has become a subject of growing interest in the scientific community. Reviews of multiple studies show that P-synephrine can modestly boost metabolism and support weight loss, especially when combined with other ingredients like caffeine. In controlled trials, participants taking bitter orange extract often experienced a slight increase in calorie burning and fat oxidation, which can contribute to gradual weight reduction over time. Importantly, these effects come without significant cardiovascular side effects at typical doses. Unlike some older weight loss supplements, bitter orange does not appear to cause dangerous spikes in blood pressure or heart rate when used responsibly, making it a safer option for many adults. Experts like Dr. Sidney Stowes highlight bitter orange as a safer alternative to ephedra, targeting metabolism without overstimulating the heart. Dr. Stowes and other researchers emphasize that, when used as directed, bitter orange offers a balance between effectiveness and safety, which is crucial for anyone considering supplements for weight management. The weight loss seen in studies is modest, a few extra pounds over several weeks. While it's not a dramatic transformation, these small changes can add up, especially when combined with healthy eating and regular exercise. For some, even losing a couple of pounds can make a noticeable difference in how they feel and look. For many, even a small boost can be motivating. Achieving incremental progress can help build confidence and encourage people to stick with their healthy habits, turning short-term wins into long-term success. Remember, bitter orange is just one piece of the puzzle, not a miracle cure. Sustainable weight management relies on a combination of factors: diet, exercise, sleep, and sometimes the right supplements. No single product can replace a balanced lifestyle. Standardized extracts are key. Look for products that specify P-synephrine content for safety and effectiveness. This ensures you know exactly what you're getting and can avoid unwanted side effects from inconsistent dosages. Avoid vague blends that don't disclose exact amounts. Products that hide their ingredient levels may not be effective, and could even pose risks if you're sensitive to certain compounds. Used responsibly, bitter orange can be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. It's most effective when paired with a healthy lifestyle and realistic expectations. But how do you use it? With so many products and forms available, it's important to understand the best way to incorporate bitter orange into your routine. Let's talk forms and doses. Knowing the right amount and the best form can make all the difference in getting safe, effective results from bitter orange. Bitter orange is most commonly found as a standardized supplement, capsules or tablets with a set amount of P-synephrine. Sometimes it's blended with other ingredients in fat burner formulas. You can also brew bitter orange peel as tea, but dosing is unpredictable. For appetite support, supplements are more reliable. Most studies use 25-50 mg of P-synephrine daily. Some go up to 100 mg in healthy adults. Start low, 20 to 25 mg, to see how your body reacts. Take it in the morning or before a meal for best results. Always check labels for exact p-synephrine content and avoid products with undisclosed blends. Stick to recommended doses for safety and effectiveness. But is it safe for everyone? Let's find out. Bitter orange is generally safer than ephedra, but it's not risk-free. Some may experience mild stimulant effects, increased heart rate, blood pressure, or trouble sleeping, especially with high doses or when combined with caffeine. If you have heart conditions, high blood pressure, anxiety, glaucoma, thyroid issues, or are pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid bitter orange. It can interact with many medications, raising the risk of side effects. Always consult your doctor or pharmacist before starting, especially if you take prescription drugs. Your health comes first. Never start a supplement without professional guidance. Be informed, be cautious, and prioritize your safety. Used wisely, bitter orange can be a helpful tool. Now, let's see how it fits into a healthy lifestyle. Bitter orange is a helper, not a hero. Think of it as a supportive tool on your wellness journey, rather than a magic solution. While it can offer benefits, it works best when paired with other healthy habits. To truly see results, make bitter orange part of a bigger picture, a lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and effective stress management. These pillars are the foundation of lasting health and energy. Use bitter orange to help curb cravings, making it easier to choose nutritious foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods keep you full, energized, and satisfied throughout the day. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for real food. Don't use bitter orange as an excuse to skip meals or indulge in unhealthy eating habits. Prioritize wholesome meals and mindful choices. Pair your supplement routine with daily movement. Exercise not only boosts your mood and helps control appetite, but it also creates a powerful synergy with bitter orange's effects, supporting your metabolism and overall well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Whether it's walking, cycling, dancing, or joining a fitness class, find activities you enjoy to stay consistent and motivated. Before starting any supplement or making major changes to your health routine, always consult your doctor. They can help you understand potential risks and ensure bitter orange is safe for you, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Your health journey is unique. Getting personalized advice from a healthcare professional, nutritionist, or personal trainer can help you set realistic goals and achieve the best results tailored to your needs. Keep learning and exploring new ways to take charge of your health. Stay curious, set goals, and track your progress to stay motivated and inspired. For more tips on building a vibrant, energetic life, check out our other content. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthiest self.